So today I brought the GoPro Fusion with me. That's because the weather is extremely good right now. We got fully sun the whole day. No wind and no snow. All is prepared and ready to go. My GoPro Fusion on the back side of my head or on the front, and that creates a really cool image. What's your impression of Switzerland?
It's cold.
It's cold!
Really cold.
Yeah! How are you feeling, Lotte?
Cold!
Yeah, cold! Also cold! How are you feeling?
Great!
Great!
Fantastic ski gebiet here in Zem now.
We're at the border of Switzerland and Austria. Pretty cool. Hey, how hungry are we? Pretty hungry?
Yeah, pretty hungry. Yeah. Pretty hungry.
Where are we going to eat?
I think I'm going for the Kaisersmarkt.
Same here. You cannot visit Austria without eating a Kaisersmarkt. We are in one of the centers of Ischgl, a place where most people are going to eat in their lunch break. Before. Chicka chaka, chicka chaka!
Watching seasons change, our roads were lined with adventure. Mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze.
What we're basically going to do is making a slow-mo in the snow, creating a snowmo. At the moment I'm trying to make a hyperlapse. That's basically a time lapse only in moving. So the camera keeps on moving while the time lapse is going on. I'm doing that to capture the atmosphere and the whole coziness of the town and to show it to you guys. what the fun thing is about Ischgl, there's no such a thing as too much apres-ski. Everywhere you look, every corner, there are apres-ski bars in all sizes, like Skiresort. There's also a pacha over here. Yeah, there are a lot of options. Get a drink when you're done skiing. That makes it really awesome. So this evening we're gonna close the holiday off doing a toboggan. Are we excited, people? Yeah! Are we excited for the toboggan, people? Yeah! Nice! Ja, danke. I'm gonna test my sleigh and see how it works out on this small slope. Well, it was fun. You can steer a bit. It's a classic sleigh. As you can see, nothing special, nothing fancy. Just you, the sleigh, and the mountain. Chugga 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 chugga! Wish me really good luck. When you visit Ischgl, you 100% have to do this toboggan. I think. It's so crazy, and the route is really long. I don't know how many kilometers it is, but it's the whole from the top to all the way to the bottom. Oh! Should I get back? Oh! I'm probably sick. So, Lotte, how did we like it?
We just survived
We barely
the
survived
tobogganing.
We barely survived it. How did we like it?
One broken shoulder, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was worth the broken shoulder. How did you like it, Sante?
Very nice.
Yeah. So, guys, do you think this was a nice closure for our holiday?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, nice. Hey guys, well, the goal with this channel is to show you all the fun you can have with doing leisure stuff. If you want to see more of these videos and even tell me where I should go next, please subscribe to my channel. Well, I'm going to visit Winter Fantasieland next week, so you can expect a really cool video about that. It's a little different than going on a ski holiday or to a ski resort, but it's a great leisure activity that I can't wait to share with you guys. So thank you for watching this video and thank you for helping me out if you did. And I'll see you in my next video.